In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Sam's Club credit card application status in 26. To get started, open the Sam's Club website or go directly to the credit card issuer's online account portal. Either option can help you track your application depending on how the credit card account is managed. Once the page loads, sign in using your account credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you have more than one membership or card-related profile. After signing in, look for a section labeled Credit Card Application Status or something similar. The exact wording may vary a little depending on the site layout, but you're basically looking for the area where account and application details are stored. If that section is available, open it and locate your pending credit card application. Select the application to view its current status. This is where you'll usually see the most recent update. Common application results include pending, approved, in review, or declined. If your application says pending or in review, that typically means the issuer is still processing your information and hasn't made a final decision yet. If it says approved, you can expect next steps related to receiving and activating the card. If it says declined, you may need to review any follow-up communication for more information. Take a moment to review all the application details shown on the screen. In some cases, the issuer may ask you to provide additional information before they can complete the review. If you see a request like that, submit the requested details as soon as possible to avoid delays. It's also a good idea to check your email regularly for updates. Important messages about your application, including requests for documents or final decisions, are often sent there. Be sure to check your inbox carefully so you don't miss anything time sensitive. If a final decision hasn't appeared yet, continue monitoring your application status regularly. Checking back from time to time can help you stay informed without having to reapply or guess what's happening behind the scenes. If your application has been pending longer than expected, or if you run into trouble accessing the status page, contact the card issuer's customer service for assistance. They may be able to clarify what's causing the delay or let you know if any action is required from you. Once a final decision is made, simply follow the instructions provided. And if your Sam's Club credit card is approved, be sure to activate it once it arrives so you can start using it right away.